Good morning. You woke up early today. Good morning. Yes, I had trouble sleeping last night, so I decided to wake up early and start my day. I understand. Sometimes when I can't sleep, I think too much about work and responsibilities. That happens to me too. I kept thinking about my tasks for today and tomorrow, and my mind felt very busy. What do you usually do when that happens? I try to relax by listening to soft music or reading a few pages of a book. It helps sometimes. That's a good habit. I usually check my phone, but I know it's not good for sleep. Yes, using the phone at night makes it worse. The light keeps the brain active. You're right. By the way, have you had breakfast yet? Not yet. I'm thinking of making some eggs and toast. What about you? I already had a cup of tea, but I'm still hungry. I might make some oatmeal. Oatmeal is healthy and easy to make. Do you add fruit to it? Yes, I usually add bananas or apples. Sometimes I add honey for sweetness. That sounds nice. I like simple food in the morning. Heavy food makes me feel lazy. I feel the same way. Light food helps me stay active. After breakfast, what are your plans for today? First, I need to clean the house a little. Then I have some online work to finish. Are you working from home today? Yes, I work from home most days. It saves time and energy. That's true. I have to go to the office today, so I need to leave by 9. How long does it take you to reach the office? Takes about 40 minutes if the traffic is light. If traffic is heavy, it can take more than an hour. Traffic can be very stressful. I'm glad I don't have to deal with it every day. I agree. Sometimes I feel tired before I even reach work. What do you usually do during your lunch break? I usually eat with coworkers and talk about work or daily life. Sometimes we talk about movies or news. That's nice. Talking with people helps reduce stress. Yes, it does. What about you? How do you spend your break? I usually cook something simple and then take a short walk. Fresh air makes me feel better. Walking is a great habit. I should start doing that too. You should. Even a short walk can refresh your mind. After work, I usually feel tired and just want to rest. That's normal. Do you exercise in the evening? Not regularly. Sometimes I stretch or walk, but not every day. I try to exercise 3 times a week. It helps me sleep better. I really need to be more disciplined. It's not easy, but once it becomes a habit, it feels natural. What do you usually do in the evening after dinner? I watch some television, talk with my family, or plan the next day. Planning the next day is a good idea. It makes mornings easier. Yes, it saves time and reduces stress. On weekends, I like to sleep late. What about you? I wake up a little late, but not too much. I like to keep my routine. That's a healthy way to live. Do you go out on weekends? Sometimes I visit friends or go shopping. Other times I stay home and relax. Staying home can be very peaceful. Yes, especially after a busy week. Daily life may seem simple, but small habits make a big difference. I agree. Eating well, sleeping on time, and staying positive are very important. Talking about daily life like this makes things feel clearer. It really does. It reminds us to enjoy simple moments. I should get ready for work now, and I should start making breakfast. Have a good day. You too. Take care and stay safe.